I'm going to show you how to lift your lashes quick at home with the Nanolash lift kit. First, clean your eyelids and lashes. The kit includes 3 sizes of rods. Try them on and find which one suits your eyes best. Cut the edges of the rod so it fits your eye perfectly. Then you need to glue. Apply the glue on the inside of the rod so it sticks to your eyelid. Wait until it sticks. Also apply the glue on the outside of the rod. The kit includes tools that will help you with the application. Comb your lashes to the rod and separate them thoroughly. Then we're starting with the first sachet to lift. Open it by cutting and apply to the lashes. Wait for 7 to 10 minutes and remove the lotion. Moving on to step 2 to fix. Apply to the lashes and wait for another 7 to 10 minutes. Remove the lotion. As the last step, we are using the keratin booster. Cut the sachet open and apply to the lashes. Wait for the last 7 to 10 minutes and remove. Finally, remove the rod from the eyelid and comb the lashes through. Look at the difference, thanks to Nanolash.